How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is where we left off last time on the front end of the car. We got the top done, we got the radiator mounted, and we got the bottom as well. So today I'm gonna go ahead and focus on doing the crush bar. So this crush bar is from Ramfab. It's an aluminum crush bar. It's great, but it doesn't match what I'm going for with the car, with the whole tubing and all that. So I want to match everything. Plus, my welder can't do aluminum. So if I want to modify it or add some pieces to it, I can't. So I might as well just make it out of tubing. So that's what we're going to do today. Stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing is I'm going to bend my tube, so I already have it ready to go. So I'm going to follow the same curve on this crush bar, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and make the plates. Alright, so that's what it's going to look like. I still have to trim it here, but I won't do that until I got my plates over here with the tube that's going to come out. I'm not going to trim it yet. So let's do that now. I got both of them done, so now I'm going to start working on the tube that comes out and the one that goes across. Alright, so this is what we got so far. I'm pretty happy with the way it looks. The only problem I see is this over here. That bolt right there. To remove the whole crush bar. Pretty much I gotta undo all 3 bolts, and then this one start backing it out little by little and pushing the crush bar out. That's the only thing that sucks about it. And it's gotta come out in this much of an angle because of the size of the intercooler. This is the 1235, and my bender doesn't do tight turns, so this is, I couldn't go straight out and then turn up unless I do it with 2 individual tubes, one coming out and then another one welded on top, but that's not gonna look good at all. So if I'm willing to live with that, then I'm just gonna go ahead and weld it.
A few moments later.
I lied, I couldn't live with it, so I had to fix it. Now as you can see, you can see the nut, the bolt, sorry, on both sides. Perfect, so now I can go ahead and start welding everything. Alright, so that's all welded on both sides. So now I gotta put the other crush bar on and measure the how high off the ground I gotta make my tabs for the intercooler. Alright, I think I got it when I want. I made my 2 pieces that come down and hooked up to the intercooler. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tag it and then test fit the bumper, make sure it's right. I moved it further back because I got all the space behind it now, because if you can see right there, see that mark right there? It was rubbing against the grill. You can see it right there too. So I pushed it back about 1.5 inches, so that should clear perfect the grill. And then it's gonna leave me some space to run some more. I'm gonna run some more tubing around the car right here like this, all on the front, to hook up the splitter to it. But that's gonna be another video. Let's just weld this in place and test fit the bumper. And just like that, we got a crush bar slash intercooler mount. And that fits perfect. So you can see the bar through the grill. And it's not hitting anymore. Right in there was touching. I got about an inch on both sides. It's not touching here, and it's not touching over there. Getting closer to being complete in the front. A few more things to fabricate, and we're done. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Look forward to the next video where I'm gonna do the mounting points for the splitter. That way it detaches from the bumper, stays in the car. And also thinking of the speeds that we're gonna be doing. At 200 miles an hour, that splitter needs to be really secure to the chassis, otherwise it's just gonna fly away. So that's one of the main reasons to do it. Alright, catch you guys in the next video.